Page 4, Santa's Workshop. They have a chart at the top of the page showing you what middle C position looks like. Apparently that's what you've been using is middle C. You just put both thumbs on middle C and the other fingers go on the other notes next to it. So these will be the notes we'll be using for these first few pieces. In Santa's Workshop it's 4/4 time, so that we're going to count to 4. There's 4 counts in a measure and we're counting quarter notes. See, there's 4 quarter notes in the first measure, it all works out. So in the right hand, that first line, start with third finger on the E. I'm assuming you can say the names of the notes. If you can't, you need to go through and say the names of the notes. You can forget about counting, just say the name. E, D, C, E, G, E, and just say the names of the notes and make sure you've got that. Then we put in the counting. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Remember, half note gets 2 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the left hand gets that note. Actually, the left hand gets the rest of it. Okay, fine, let's talk left hand. Remember, you're here in the left hand, and so the left hand's going to play that G. And again, make sure you can say the names of the notes. Second line. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, like so. Now I will ask you to go ahead and observe the slurs or the phrases. See the big long curved line that goes over each line has one. So you're going to play all the notes in the line connected to each other. There's no silence in between them. You connect them. But when you get to the end of the line, the last note in the left hand here, before you play the note in the next line, the B here, we want a little silence. So don't connect the G and the B. Don't. Lift up, just a slight lift up, so there's just a little bit of silence. The G is just a little bit short is all. Like so, it starts a new phrase. It's like taking a breath, sort of. And the same thing at the end of the line, when you have the C, and you repeat to go back up. Here, don't connect the C and the E. Lift up a little bit early on the C. It's like taking a breath before you play the E. So it's here. So there's a little break in the sound there. There's a repeat sign. There's 2 sets of words. If you want to sing it, go right ahead. I don't sing in these videos. You can sing if you want. And that's really what it is. It's moderately. You decide what moderately is. Just not fast, not slow, somewhere in the middle. Let's play it together slowly to make sure you have the right notes and rhythms, and we are going to repeat it. I'm going to give you 4 counts, so go ahead and put your hands in middle C position. And here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.